So when I deal with potential clients on the phone, I'm talking to them and they're explaining how they might be coming to me and calling me after they've gone to initial hearing and their claim was denied, and they're wondering how can the BWC or Industrial Commission, how could they have denied their claim? And they go through it, and a lot of times the deficiency with these claims is a lack of what's called medical causation. So it's not enough that you had an injury and then at some time later you got medical treatment. You have to have there's a cause and effect, but it can't be from you saying, I got hurt and I was in a lot of pain and I went under all these procedures and therefore let my back injury be allowed, or whatever you're pursuing. You have to have a medical doctor make that connection. So the medical doctor, they have to, again, cause and effect. They have to connect, like let's say we're lifting up a box, right? That's the injury. I lifted up a box and I felt pain in my lower back immediately. And I'm filing a workers' comp claim. I can't just go to a hearing and say I lifted a box and this caused it. A medical provider has to say, diagnose the condition, like a lumbar sprain or whatever, and then they have to, and they can't just diagnose a condition, they have to analyze the mechanism of injury. And then they have to analyze the mechanism of injury in context of their physical examination of you and the diagnostics that may have been undertaken of you. And they also may have to review prior medical records, particularly if you have a history of a prior back issue, if that's what your situation is, or if you're dealing with a shoulder thing, if you had prior surgery on your shoulder or whatever. And so what they have to do, the medical causation, when we're talking about that means something. I need that doctor to say, yes, lifting the box in the manner that so-and-so did, I do believe that directly caused the lumbar sprain, and that's due to one, the lifting a box would cause that, or it could cause it, and I do believe in this instance, but also I did a physical exam, or a physical exam was undertaken at the ER and they found reduced range of motion, they found tenderness to palpitation of the lower back, there might have been an x-ray or MRI undertaken and it might have shown some swelling. So they have to, and they say, with all these things, my physical exam and my review of the evidence and the diagnostics, I do believe that one, the person has the condition, and two, that the condition was caused by the physical nature of lifting the box in the manner that person did. So again, it's not enough for you, the injured worker, to say, I was in pain and this is what happened. That's kind of like the frosting, but you need the cake, which is the doctor's medical causation to get your claim allowed.